Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today what we are going to do, we are going to design a new design sketch actually. So let's see what it's take to make this one. So first thing first, we have to go and start with taking a point over the center, hit OK, select the plane and the XY plane and hit OK. And we have to select the position sketch. So select the position sketch and select the plane one, and in this the projection point we have to select this point that we have drawn. We have to select that one, sorry, and hit OK over here. So it will bring the design to the center. So what we can do, we have to select the circle first. So let's go and select a circle. Here is the circle and put it at the center and draw a circle like this, and the dimension that we have to draw is 150. So take the diameter and give it a dimension of 150 mm, and it's ready now. Now what we have to do, we have to select a point 45 degree from this. Okay, so or we can draw a circle at 45 degree angle. So let's go, let's draw a circle like this, and for that we are going to select this, yeah, and let's define the angle from this one. This should be 45 degree, yeah, that's like, and we have to draw four circles like this, and then we have to erase those parts that we do not need. So select this one, go with the mirror tool, which is circular, and we need three more, and for the this one to this one, and we have to get it equidistant from this. So for that, yeah, we need 90 degree. Hit OK. That's ready now. So what we have to do now is we have to erase some parts. So for that we are going to select this one and erase this one, 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 and this one. So the one thing I have missed, that is the radius of this circle that I have drawn. So for that we can see here there is anything given. Let me check once. Is there anything with that we are missing? There's no, it's only given the outer circle radius, but the center one is not given. So I think we can go with, or let me check once more, any distance that gives the reference for that is not there. So let's suppose we can go with this one, and later on we will define the radius. We can do it later also, so keep it like that. And now what we have to do, we have to draw a circle of this one, that is 250 diameter. So let's zoom out first and draw a circle greater than this, and let's define this one as, that is 250, yeah, and the center circle that is here is, let's suppose we take this one, and the distance of this is 200, so give it a distance of 200, and let's make this the projection or the standard element, that the construction element, and let's make this one the 60. The distance of this is 60, and let's select this one, and the point we have to take is, it is divided into 4 parts, and the distance is not given. Why the distance is not given of that? So let me actually escape this one. Let me draw a line from this to this, and let's get a reference line like this and give it a 60 dimension, and what we can do, we can go select this point, and yeah, it's 30 already. So let's delete this. It's the reference point, so we can go like this point to this point. Sorry, we have to select the center first, then we have to select this point to this point and make a, yeah, like this, and we do not need this one like that, but we need, what the, switch this off, select the center, this point to this point, what the, yeah, like this, and let's give it a dimension. Where's the dimension? Yeah, sorry, it's already here. What the, it's not like this. This one, it's 10 mm, and let's pull it. What's going on? Yeah, and outside, that was 10. Yeah, let's zoom out and select this line, go with the circle and auto search, it's selected now, and we have to rotate it 4 times, that means 3 times, and the center will be this one, and the line will be this one. So we need, we can go like this as 90 degree. Yeah, the 4 parts are ready now. Now what we have to do, we have to define these completely. So for that, what we are going to do, we have to zoom it here, and already defined this one, but it's not taking like that. So for that, this, let's now, is there any issue with the point? Something is gone wrong. Which line is this? Is the dimension was 200 given already? Why it's not in the center? I don't know. Let's select the point and the this one is supposed to be 100 now. Yeah, delete this, select this line and this line, and go with the cursor. Supposed to be concentric, but not, cancel it, and line, this point and this line. What's the issue? Concentric. Okay, it's ready now. Select this point, and let's see, it's supposed to be concentric too. So these are defined now, and what we can do, so now the lefted points are, we have to define are these circles. So let's go and define those two. So the point from this line supposed to be or one thing we have to do first is we have to delete this one. So now we can define this to this, it's supposed to be 60, and the issue arises now. What's the issue? 60 plus 1. Let's control Z this one, and we have done a lot of mistake in this, so let's do it from here now. Where is the concentration? Concentric. Okay, this one, the center point, concentric. Okay, these three circles were concentric, that's why we have designed these as like that. And now what we can do, this point and this line are coincidence, that's okay, and as like this one and this one too, it's supposed to be coincidence. Yeah, so now what we can do, we can go select this one and select the point to this point and draw. Yeah, now what we can do, we can drag this one and drag this one too. Let me zoom in. Like this, and give it a radius of 10. That was 10 radius. Oh, it's taken one. That was 10. Yeah, and it's fully defined, but we have to delete this one, and now we have to define this point to this point as 60. Yeah, radius is 10 and the difference is 60. And sorry, what we can do, we can now define this point with the center. That's 30. It's now fully ISO constraint for these points. Okay, now we have to select this one, go for auto search, and then we have to rotate it like this from the center to the line, and we have to give 90-degree difference and hit OK. So the it's now equally defined. Now what we have to do, it's supposed to be, I think it's 60. Is there any equally defined thing? It's 200, 150, and that is 250, radius is 10 for every point, and the 60. So but we can see this is, we can increase the radius of this point. So let me check for the radius. It's 17. Let's make it 20. It's supposed to change for all the, why doesn't it change? Because we didn't define it earlier. Supposed to change for each one of them, but it didn't. And this one too. Yeah, now it's looking much like that. So now we can define this point with this one like this. This with this like this. So now for this one, and for this one, is supposed to be equidistant now. So let me once hit back. It's not getting why. Select this, select auto search, delete this. Let's draw another circle from the center. Do not make any relation. So click shift and just draw this, and the radius was 150. So let me draw 150. So now what we can do, we can zoom it, select this point, select this line, see the coincidence. Okay, and it's 45 degree already defined. First we have defined that. So let's select this point, circle, and draw a circle without making any relation. And now what we can do, we can define this circle. Diameter will be 40, and anything else? No, I don't think so. So let's select this circle, make it rotated to 4 times with the center and the point, and let's make it 90. Hit OK. And now what we can do, we can go and erase this one. Erase this one, erase this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one, and this one too. So it's now what we can do, we can define these. Oh, as you can see, we have to just define the circles. Let's select this one. Why it's not getting selected? Okay, that's okay. Let's go and define this one. Define this with this, and define this with this, and define this one with this. Okay, and for this one too, let's go like this, and for this like this. Now it's equally defined. So for again this one, radius is already defined. Let me check once. Under constraint to define the points, these 2 points. Okay, not that 2 points. Select this point. Okay, for all we will uh, define those later equally. mm, so it's now fully defined. So if we check once, it's also constraint now. So let's uh, make this slightly look great. Okay, let me drag it slightly upward, and we can delete this one. So it's now not defined. That's okay. We can go like this one. Now that's defined. So it's looking great on the top, and I think we should slightly inward, and this one slightly outward. Yeah, like this, like this, like this. in center. Same with this side, drag it outward. And this one too, 60. Let me move the diameter like this, somewhere like here. Yeah, and the 200 ones too, like here. Yeah, that's okay. And I think nothing left. And this one too, like this one. We can drag it like this too. Yeah, that's okay. So all thing is defined now. So that's all for today, guys. We will see you in another video in another day. Thank you. Bye bye.